Hi guys! This week we're going to be painting these cute little mini canvases, and in fact you're going to get enough paint in your kit to paint more than one thing, I'm sure. So if you have other stuff at home, just paper, or it's anything else you want to paint, you can go for it. But you're going to get only 5 colors of paint, and I wanted to quickly show people who might not be familiar with color mixing how you get all the other colors using just the colors I picked. So you'll see I picked the primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue, and white and black. So let's first do the colors of the rainbow, right? So we have red, but we don't have orange. So let's grab some red paint. Then clean your brush. You can just use water and a paper towel. Then grab some yellow and mix them together. And you'll see that now we've got some orange paint. Awesome, right? Okay. So then we have red, orange, yellow, right? But we don't have green. So you're going to grab, for green, you're going to grab some yellow. Clean your brush. Grab some blue, mix them together. And there you have some lovely green. Okay, so green, blue, purple. So we also don't have purple. So to get purple, you grab some red, clean your brush, grab some blue, mix them together. And you've got a very dark plum-like purple here, but there's ways you can lighten it up by playing around with a color combination or adding white. So now I'm going to talk about, changing the shade of something. So, a lot of us love the color pink, but it's not a color in the rainbow, right? Because pink is actually just a light red. So you're going to put red, and you're going to grab white and add it in. Mix it together. And you have pink. Same thing you could do if you wanted like a sky blue. Grab a little blue, clean your brush, grab a little white, mix them together, and you've got some light blue. So I just want to also see if we can experiment with our purple and see if we can get it a little more purpley. So let's try adding some white. And that did the trick. See, now we have sort of a pretty lilac purple. So I want you guys to paint whatever you want and do whatever you want, but I wanted to make sure you knew that you could have all of the beautiful colors just from the paint I've given you. Have fun with it. Bye.